So in this video, we're going to show you exactly how to clean your X Series sear plate. And a few things to know about the sear plate before we get started is that it's 304 stainless steel. So what we're doing, everything you can do on any kind of stainless steel cutlery or kitchenware, you can use with this. So dish soap, all those things is fine. It's not like cast iron where it needs to season. You're able to use any kind of chemical you'd like to clean off the stainless steel sear plate. So the main way to clean it off is when you have a hot fire burning, just using a good strong steel spatula that's got a sharp edge to it. With a hot fire, you'll be able to clean off the majority of the grease and grit from your previous cook just with a spatula. Most people, that's all they do. From a sanitation standpoint, the sear plate gets so hot that it basically sanitizes itself. But you can use a scraper like this to keep the levels of grease from building up and just get it ready for your next cook. If you'd like to do more of a deep clean, we'll show you how to do that next. First of all, you'll want some type of degreaser, like a dish soap, something that's gonna take the grease off of the surface, and then also an abrasive pad like this green one here. First of all, you'll wanna apply your degreaser to the whole surface of the sear plate and let that start to soak in. Using your abrasive pad, you'll clean the sear plate and making sure to follow the grain. And what the grain is you'll see there's tiny lines going in one direction if you look closely at the sear plate. You want to have the motion of your pad be the same direction so that you're not scratching across the surface and you're cleaning it in the same direction of the grain that is on your sear plate. So the first step is to apply your degreaser all the way around the sear plate. So the grain of this sear plate is going this direction, all the way across. So I'm going to use my pad and I'm going to scrape in the same direction. So there you have it. That's how to clean off your X Series sear plate. And just a reminder, you don't have to go to that length if you don't want to. You can just use a steel spatula and give it a good scrape between uses while your fire is going and it's hot and the grease will come right off. If you want to get back to more of the shiny original appearance, this is how to do it. Thanks for watching.